The 1961 Ferrari 250 GT, California. Less than 100 were made. My father spent 3 years restoring this car. It is his love. It is his passion.
It's his fault he didn't lock the garage.
Ferris, what are you talking about?
Woo.
More beautiful.
Ferris, my father loves this car more than life itself.
My priorities so far as whack don't deserve such a fine automobile.
Oh, yeah.
No, no.
Apparently, you don't understand.
Wow.
Ferris, he never drives it. He just rubs it with a diaper. Hey, remember how insane he went when I broke my retainer?
Huh? Come on, that was a little piece of plastic. This is a Ferrari.
Te pela.